Hello everyone. It's common to get hard stains in the instant pot with biryanis, fried rice items, and other varieties. It could be due to longer high temperature, not enough liquid, less oil, etc. If it's within cooking time, instant pot warns with burn indicator. Here I am to share an easy hack to clean instant pot hard stains without chemicals and with less effort. It's very handy and unique way, as I'm going to use instant pot itself to make cleaning easy. Let's get started. First, add some water in the inner part. Turn on the salt mode. Keep transparent lid to see through. Once you see water boiling, turn off the instant pot. Takes around 3 to 4 minutes. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. As pot is soaked with boiling water, hard stains will go off easily with very less effort. You can always increase the boiling time and resting time depending on how tough the stains are. Watch my video for instant pot easy cleaning pot in pot for daily usage. Now discard the water. Give the hand wash with soft sponge first. If stains remain still, try hard scrubbing. Use non-scratch scrubber to avoid scratches. As you see, pot got cleaned easily with less effort. It's shiny and sparkling as new. Hope you like my idea. See you again with many more tips and recipes. Thanks for watching.